Hey guys, this is one of these things that I always love to use, and I figure that you would like to see like how can you use this tool. I know that probably you hear the crazy national days, but you know what? Sometimes it's good to come to this website and then look ahead so that you can pin in your calendar and you can actually plan for a very thorough campaign. Last year, we actually took advantage of the National Social Media Day. And it was something that we prepared for many months ahead so that we could make a big deal out of it. So, what I recommend is that you come here and then you take a look at this calendar by topics, by dates, by months, so that in that way, if you want to create probably two or three campaigns, big ones per year, you can find influencers, you can find other accounts that have done these bigger campaigns, and this can be a great way for you to hack visibility. If you hear background in the noise noise in the background, my girls are here. We have been doing this together and they are just having a lot of fun, and I said I'm going to film this to my students. All right, well, have fun. Let me know and share in Slack what did you find, and then please pick three campaigns that you will go all in during the year, and really plan that campaign. I actually have a kind of a checklist for planning a campaign, and that can totally help you. So I'm going to be also adding that for you. Okay, bye.